Welcome in our lecture number 13 part D, related record of the work instruction for in-house calibration. In this video, we will discuss on checking fixture calibration plan and master list of checking fixture and reference samples. Now let us start with checking fixture calibration plan. All data in these slides are fictitious. Even the company name, part name, model are not real. These are just for mentoring and training purpose. You have to fill your real-time data and information in this format. Serial number and checking fixture identification number. You have to define your own hierarchy for identification of the CF. Part name for which the CF is being used. The part name directly related to the CF. Part number, model of the vehicles and the calibration plan. Now here refer the legend, plan completed and pending. The first item, the cable component parking brake left side for Kia motor was planned in July and timely completed its calibration. And similarly here you can see the plan activity. Plan activity is a blank circle, and against the plan we have completed the calibration in the month. Against the plan, calibration are duly completed in the month of July, and next plans are scheduled in the month of December. Similarly, if you see the cable component parking side, December is pending. This is the symbol of, this is the legend of the pending. You have to describe here a CF identification number, part name, for example cable component parking brake left side, and the part number and the model of the product where the part is being assembled. Now the hollow circle means the plan activity. Solid filled circle indicates the completed. The dot between hollow circle means plan but still pending, not yet completed calibration. Now you may use your own legend. These are not a fixed legend. These are just for example. You have to define your own legend. Now see the preview of this document. Master list of checking fixture and approved reference sample. This list is common for both purposes. When you will be using this format for checking fixture, you have to name it master list of checking fixture, and when you will be using this for approved reference sample, you have to name it. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. A master list of approved reference sample, and the control number will also be changed in both cases respectively. Like calibration plan, this is also very simple. You have to describe serial number, part name, CF number, I mean the checking fixture number, and approved reference sample number. This will remain common in both. Customer name, model, reference sample, approval date, last calibration date, and due date of calibration. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any query, kindly feel free to contact with us on our given email address.